Practice question. Question 1. The mode of feeding in amoeba is A. Autotrophic, B. Heterotrophic, C. Symbiotic, D. Holophytic. So I said earlier that amoeba is heterotrophic in nature. It's an heterotrophic organism, which means it solely depends on other organisms to feed on. It depends on bacteria and algae to feed on. I already discussed that earlier. So heterotrophic is the correct answer. Question 2. In amoeba, osmoregulation is carried out by A. Pseudopodium, B. Food vacuole, C. Phagocytosis, D. Contractile vacuole. So let's start from pseudopodium. It's 8 movements in amoeba. Pseudopodium means one, while 2 pseudopodium is called pseudopodia. The next one here is food vacuole. I already mentioned that earlier that food vacuole store food in amoeba. The third one here is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a process in which cell like amoeba engulf solid particle like food, wrapping them around the pseudopodia because pseudopodia capture food and it also aids in movement, wrapping them around the pseudopodia in order for digestion to take place in the food vacuole. So the last one here is contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole regulates water in amoeba, which also means contractile vacuole is the correct answer. Contractile vacuole is the correct answer. In amoeba, osmoregulation is carried out by contractile vacuole. Osmoregulation also means regulation of water or water balance. So guys, let's continue. Question 3. Which of the following method of reproduction is common to amoeba? But before we continue, look at this number right here. If you are interested in tutorial or mentorship, just share this number right here on WhatsApp. As we continue. A. Conjugation, B. Sexual reproduction, C. Budding, D. Binary fission. So, amoeba reproduce asexually. We have two types of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Amoeba reproduce asexually with the means of binary fission. So, for conjugation is for paramecium. And for budding is used for yeast. Yeast is an example of fungi. Yeast is a type of fungi. So binary fission is the correct answer. Question 4. Amoeba is classified under A. Ciliophora, B. Sarcodina, C. Mastigophora, D. Sporozoa. So this is a simple question. Drop the answer in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. Keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next one.
Please subscribe.